Here's how to turn your business into a money-making machine with digital marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 most important marketing techniques you need to skyrocket your business and your online presence. What's up, Tariq here with the Vet Hawk, bringing you the best tips and tools for skyrocketing your business online. I couldn't be more excited to be sharing with you guys my WTF strategy that's taken me almost a decade to come up with and perfect. And it's really the reason I had multiple businesses fail, and I've wondered why. Why am I come up with this great business idea and then it doesn't work out. WTF is the reason. And once you guys understand this, it's really going to click as to what it is that you need to really get your online presence and market your business in a way that makes sense. It really comes down to 3 things, and they are WTF. If you focus on these 3 things, you will get to 90% of where you want to go. Now, there are other things that you can do. There's a lot of different ways to market your business, but these 3, if you focus on these 3, it is going to get you so far, so fast, and it's going to make so much sense. W stands for website. Every business needs a website, no questions asked. Think about your website as your cup. You need to fill up your cup. Every time you do business on another website, like Facebook, like Instagram, you are filling up someone else's cup. You're filling up their business cup. Your job as a business owner is to get a cup and keep that cup full as long as possible, as much as possible. There's a ton of different places to get a website. We offer websites. Highly recommend you guys check with us first. But your website is your cup. Now, how do you fill up the cup? That's where the T comes in. T stands for traffic. So many business owners, myself included, have started incredible businesses, great products, a great restaurant, but if nobody knows you exist, you don't know how to get traffic into your restaurant, nobody knows how good the food is. You have this amazing idea, and you're like, well, I got a website. How come there's not people on my website? How come I'm not waking up with thousands of dollars in orders every day? Well, it's because there's no traffic on your website. Your cup is empty. Just having a cup is not good enough. You need to fill up that cup. There's so many different ways to drive traffic to your website. There's, Google, SEO, Facebook ads, all these different things. You need to ask yourself the big question: where do your ideal customers congregate? Where do they hang out, right? If you can go where they hang out, you're going to get their attention. Big mistake we all make. Let me just go to Facebook. Let me just start spamming all my friends and family and everybody in my community, tell them about my product. Nobody cares. They're not there to buy, right? They're there to hang out. It's like you're coming to a party and you're trying to sell something. You're bothering people, right? Now, there is a place for Facebook ads. If you're interested in that, check out this video. I did a video about when that's appropriate, but it's important to really understand where they congregate. If you are offering a product that is highly searched, like party rentals, you need to go to Google because people are typing in every day, bounce house rentals near me, right? So I did another video on how you can see if your product is heavily searched. Go ahead and click the card or the video in the description, and you can actually see how many people in your area are searching for your product. Before we talk about the final step in WTF, I'm curious, where do you think your ideal customers congregate? Do they hang out on Google, Facebook, or somewhere else? Tell me in the comments section below. And if you've learned anything at all from this video so far, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep delivering awesome videos like this straight to you. So you have your cup and you filled it up with traffic through Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Google, wherever, but then everything leaks out of the bottom. What is the F? How do you stop the leak? F stands for funnels, and that is absolutely the most important step out of all 3. It's insanity to keep filling up your cup when everything is leaking out of the bottom. You need to patch the leak before you continue to drive more traffic to your website. This is exactly why we established a Vet Hawk, to patch the leak. Essentially, what you need is a funnel. Whether you get it from a Vet Hawk or you build your own, a funnel is where you take those clicks that come in from social media, from Instagram, Facebook, wherever, and instead of just bashing them with buy from me, buy from me, buy from me, click here, add to cart, book now, you take baby steps. You generate a lead, you nurture that lead, and before you know it, they're literally chasing you. Your customers are chasing you, throwing money at you. So how you do that is, first and foremost, you really need to understand the importance of funnels and where they fall in. And without a funnel, you are literally just spending tons of money on marketing for clicks that never turn into bookings. So if you want to learn more about funnels, go ahead and check out this video here, click or tap the YouTube card or check out the description below. But if you'd rather learn more about conversion rates, how do I go ahead and turn those clicks into paid bookings? How do we go ahead and do that? Go ahead and check out this video that talks about what a conversion rate is, how to turn more clicks into paid bookings. I'll also link to it in the description, and I'll see you on the next one.